Hi, so in this video, I will show you how to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp without unblocking. First off, you need to launch the WhatsApp application. Now, on the upper right corner of your screen, tap on the three bars or three dots depending on whether you are an Android user or an iOS user. So for iOS users, you can locate this three dot icon on the lower portion of your screen. Now tap on this icon and select Settings, and now you will be provided with these options. Select Privacy, which is the second option, and scroll down until you find Block Contacts. And as you can see, in my block contacts, I have one. So in this part, when tapping on the block contacts, the only option that you are given is to unblock before you delete this contact. In this case, go to Contacts and find the same person. Click on this contact, and on the lower right corner of your screen, you will find the More icon. Tap on the More icon and select Delete. By tapping Delete, you will be permanently deleting this contact on your phone and as well as in the WhatsApp application. And that is all. Thank you and have a great day.